guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be another cook and clean for you guys. So I am going to be cooking a dinner today. Before I get started, I do want to let you guys know that I have teamed up with HelloFresh to bring you some information about their awesome company and what they do. You guys do know I love those home delivery meals because as a mom and as a work from home mom, life gets busy. I'm always on the go, and sometimes by the end of the day I am just too tired. Sometimes I don't have time to think of a recipe, something new to try. What HelloFresh does is they actually have a website where you can go to, you can pick out different meals and have them sent right to your front door. So I'm really excited. Today's meal was picked out by my teenage son. He is gonna be helping me cook because every time I do any kind of like home delivery meals, I always let him help me just because they have the step-by-steps on how to cook the meal, and it just is really easy and helpful to learn. So that is why he always helps me with these, and that is what we're gonna do today. So I do have a discount code down in the description box, so you guys should definitely go check that out. All right, you guys, so some of the ingredients you're gonna need is ground pork, rice, zucchini, carrots, bulgogi sauce, panko breadcrumbs, lime, sesame oil, sesame seeds, sriracha, and ginger. So right now we're just started out by washing and drying our produce and cutting up the zucchini, the ginger, and the lime. Then we're gonna go ahead and start by oiling up the pan to get ready to cook the zucchini. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little Himalayan salt and pepper. I always use Himalayan salt. That's just my preference. And then we're gonna go ahead and start making the meatballs. So we combined the ginger, the pork, panko, a tablespoon of the bulgogi sauce, and also some salt and pepper, and just kind of made the balls into 1 inch. And then the last step is just cooking the rice, which this is already pre-cooked rice, so we're just warming it up in the microwave. And now we're putting our whole meal together. You guys, it's super easy because everything's measured out for you and you just follow the steps. And we went ahead and topped it with some sesame seeds. So now we're gonna go ahead and start the nighttime cleaning routine.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high.
When I do clean my kitchen table, I do like to take everything off of it just so it's super easy. And then I also like to take a rag, just a dry rag, and kind of go over the whole table and put all of the crumbs into my hand, and I'll throw those in the trash.
Never thought I would.
And then I'll go ahead and spray down the table, and I am using the peppermint, Mrs. Meyer's peppermint spray here.
I will get up again.
And right now little Ava is helping me clean. She helped me clean all night. She's been wanting to help cook and clean with me lately, and it's just so sweet. So right now we're just kind of picking up our dinner mess, putting away any leftover food into Tupperware, putting that in the fridge for the next day because I always have leftovers just so we can use it for like lunch or dinner or snack or something.
I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I can see everything clearer. Trying to fly 'cause I'm light as a feather. But I get high, I get low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong.
So now I'm just putting away dishes, and I'm gonna go ahead and start some soapy water and fill up the sink with dishes.
Never thought I wouldn't jump. Oh, what a fool.
So what I like to do is, since the sink has to fill up anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and wash the dishes that I know I washed by hand and kind of get that out of the way and put that on the dish mat. And then this one was so full of like oil and everything, so I just kind of dipped it in there and then I dumped it on the other side because I didn't want to turn my water super mucky already because I hadn't even, you know, used it for the rest of the dishes. So right here I am using the 7th generation dish soap, and it is non-toxic, and I really like it. It cleans the dishes good, so I'm really happy with this purchase, and we'll be getting a bigger bottle next time. So now at the end of the night, I always like to clean out my sink. Well, I usually like to clean out my sink every time I'm done with dishes, but at the end of the night, I like to do a little bit deeper of a clean. So I am going to use the soapy water and just kind of clean it a little bit, scrub it, just so I can kind of get the food and anything, you know, get it all cleaned up. And then the last thing I like to do is use my Barkeeper's Friend and give it a really good shine. I've been using this product for a few years now, and I really like it. The next thing I'm going to do is use this Method stainless steel on my refrigerator. I usually use it on like my dishwasher, microwave, and refrigerator. So right now I'm going to go ahead and just dry the dishes that I washed by hand so I can get them put away. Yeah, baby, don't be afraid. You just follow my way. Tonight we will fly together. And that is all I have for you guys. Do not forget to check out my description box where I will have the links to HelloFresh and the discount code. And also give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe if you're new to my channel, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye!